Meanwhile, shares of Symantec took off today after word that Broadcom is in talks to buy that cybersecurity software maker. Symantec hit a 52-week high after soaring by about 14%. Broadcom shares were down more than 3%. Now, this isn't the first time Broadcom has gone down the acquisition trail. In fact, some say it's part of the CEO's playbook. Josh Lipton takes a look.
This is what Broadcom CEO Hock Tan does, deals, and he could be ready to make another big one. CNBC reports that Broadcom is in talks to acquire Symantec, which makes cybersecurity software for both the enterprise and consumer. The two sides had been targeting a mid-July announcement, though the price is not set, so no guarantee that a deal really does get done. But the FT reports that the transaction could be worth more than $15 billion. This is Hock Tan's playbook, buying companies and building out a portfolio of products. For example, acquiring Brocade for $6 billion for exposure to the high-margin storage market, and buying CA Technologies for $19 billion, capitalizing on its profitable mainframe business. CNBC asked Hock Tan about his acquisition strategy.
We are very good at building sustainable businesses and employment and innovation on businesses we acquire.
It doesn't always work out for Hock Tan, though. The Trump administration blocked Broadcom from pursuing Qualcomm last year, citing national security concerns. But analysts say this deal does make strategic sense, that security would seem to be a logical addition to Broadcom's portfolio, though they acknowledge that Broadcom investors could have questions as well. After all, Hock Tan is pivoting, a traditional chip maker now moving harder into the software market. Can he successfully integrate such companies in the same way? And Symantec faces challenges of its own, including recent management turmoil and increasing competition. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Josh Lipton, San Francisco.